Hello everybody, I'm John coming to you from the TSG Multimedia Intergalactic Headquarters, and today we have a model from Atlas to take a look at, so let's head over to the workbench. Alright, so here's what we're looking at today. This is an HO scale ACF 3-bay cylindrical hopper. This is from Atlas. I looked on Atlas's website and I found that they sell 6 different road names of this particular model. They also sell it as an undecorated model. The undecorated one goes for $28.95 and the decorated ones go for $36.95. These come from Atlas's Master Series. It's probably best for you to visit Atlas's website and see if they have the one you're looking for. So as usual, I've scrutinized the paint and markings on this car and found them both to be excellent. You can see there's a lot of detail underneath that's visible from this angle on the discharge gates. Also, the trucks and detailing around the trucks is also pretty intense. The model comes with blackened metal wheels, and these are 100-ton roller bearing trucks. Alright, so looking at the brake end, you can see that there's a ton of brake detail inside here. And I'll do my best to show that to you. But while we're looking at this end, I will also mention that this is a freestanding brake wheel, and then the brake platform is also a separately applied part. You can see that the detailing on the ladders on the ends is also pretty finely rendered. And then also you'll notice that is a body-mounted Accumate coupler right there. I wanted to show you the brake end from this angle because you can see a lot of the piping and stuff. There's a little, I think that's called a triple valve, and there's an air reservoir here. There's a lot going on in the detail department on this side. So we're going to work our way all the way around the car, just like we normally do. I do want to mention while we're looking at this that you can see there's some other stuff down here that's visible from this angle. I think that's brake detail. It looks really good. I mean, this is one of those things that it looks to me like they really didn't have to put that on there, but because it's there, it looks a little better. So I like that. The A end is detailed just like the B end, except it doesn't have any brake detail. It doesn't have a brake wheel or a brake platform. But if you look down in here, you can see there's a hole. You see that hole right in there? That's accurate. These cars do have holes in there. So that's pretty cool too. Now, I want to show you the top detail because the detailing on the hatches is exquisite. I was noticing that when I pulled it out of the package. And something else that looks surprisingly good are the walkways. These are actually plastic walkways, but they look like photo-etched metal parts. So good job on the top, that's for sure. And then looking at the bottom detail, you can see that this separately applied part that I was saying I think is brake detail, it's not on this side. So it's unique to just this one side. So that's the kind of detail that people don't really need to add, but when you do, it really does set the car apart from other models or other similar models. So I think that's a great job. You can see the detail in the discharge gates is also very nicely done. While we're looking at the bottom, I want to mention that the model did come with additional parts. These are safety bolster straps, and it shows you in the directions how to put them on, but I want to show you the directions. These are the directions, and I'm not playing a trick on you. This is not intentionally out of focus. It actually came like this. If you look, you can see it's like a double print. Not sure how that happened, and I'm sure this is only the model I got. I would guess that this is just a one-off where the printer accidentally printed twice on the same page. But you know, you can see what it's showing you here, where the bolster straps go. So, and this is the side view. So pretty cool to have extra stuff. I mean, even more detail, right? That's pretty cool. I think Atlas has done a very good job releasing a very solid model of an unusual prototype. I like cylindrical hoppers. You don't see them very often out on the real rails, and some cylindrical hoppers even look like tank cars. This one doesn't really so much, but anyway, good job, Atlas. I'm looking forward to seeing more, and I'll catch you next time.